Fuck that.
Hold on. I don't hear anything.
I hit it just like
Hold on.
I was like, no.
Oh yeah, that is weird.
It's not very nice sound. Don't worry.
There's a helmet that you can make that will let you see what you can hear. I don't know what that means.
Oh yeah, you see like the sound waves. Like it's like oh, what's it called? Echolocation almost. You'll see that.
It's actually a fairly easy recipe too.
Oh.
Oh, stronghold.
Oh, sweet.
No, not a stronghold.
No, this is something.
This is a dungeon, I believe.
Oh wow, look at this. We got disposable batteries. What the hell is that noise? It sounds angry, whatever it is. Whoa, things are vibrating for me.
Why?
Oh, dimlets.
They've stopped. Noise have stopped. Oh, spawners.
Portable matrix destructor.
There's spawners in this area.
Whoa, that noise.
I think they're above this. Whatever it is.
Oops.
A diamond Zane. I don't know what the heck that is.
I'm gonna have to unload a little bit. Cause
A ring. Mobs can attack other mobs.
I accidentally messed up here and dug out one of these. Oh my god, Jim! Mistakes are made. I got a greater power catalyst.
Oh my god.
That noise! Oh my god. Has
All
anyone
right.
got a crafting bench?
I don't have any wood on me either. So,
Oh no.
what was
Jim's
that?
got a dimlet.
Whoop! Sorry, Jin. You ran right through
But
me.
he scared me. There we go, we got like mobs coming through now. I'm gonna die in a minute.
Where? Oh, from behind us?
No, like, because you hit Jin, I thought someone was getting hurt.
Oh, well, somebody was.
I'm about to in a minute.
Do you guys have a sword? Am I the only one that has one?
I got a sword. Decently though. Ah!
Sorry.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh man.
Nothing.
What is that stupid noise then?